had to do an introduction to this video. I was out taking pictures during our snow. It was unusual here in mid-Missouri. We had quite a bit of snow. So I took the camera out. Well, the first time I went out, I forgot my GoPro camera. So I had to use the trusty iPhone. And then the second time I went out, I took my GoPro, but I forgot backup batteries. So that cold weather, my batteries didn't last very long. So this is going to be a combination of 2 days of shoot during the winter. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, I'd really like you to subscribe. This will be the first part where I take the pictures, and then the next part will be where I take them into Lightroom and edit one photo. Last time I edited 2 photos and the video ended up being a little long, so I'm just going to pick one and show you how I would edit it. Thanks for watching. Bye. I didn't bring my GoPro. It's freezing cold out here. I think it's 3 degrees. So I thought I'd record a little on my iPhone, but I don't know how it's going to turn out. I got my photo buddy with me. Hey, Piper. But I could have put my glove back on, so hold on just a second. Okay, got my glove back on, so I'm going to head back to the vehicle. I think they said it's -3 today. I'm down at the Ruby Doo. Don't know how this video will turn out. I think I'm gonna head home. I've got the right clothes on. It's just the wind chill factor is so cold. So Piper and I are gonna head home right now. Fly out my camera. Oh, been a long time since we've had this kind of snow. I'm kind of hoping they call off work tomorrow so I can do more pictures. But we're gonna head for the house to get something to eat. And I can't turn off the phone because I got my glove on. So there's nobody out, only us crazies. Okay, so I'm gonna stick you in my pocket. Okay, getting inside the truck. Man, it's cold. Well, Piper, is it cold out there? It's starting to snow hard again. I don't know how much more snow we're going to get. Piper's licking her paws, so they must have got cold. I'm not that far away from home, so I'm going to be there in a little while. Sure is nice to have a warm truck, though. So heading home. So it's another snowy day. Yesterday I went out and took pictures, but forgot the GoPro. Today I remembered the GoPro. It's still snowing. I think we got about 7 inches so far, maybe more. I don't know if I have to work tomorrow or not. They've closed the post a couple days. Piper's with me. Got anything to say, Piper? She goes crazy every time she sees me grab my camera. But we're going for a ride. Gonna see if we can find some pictures. It's beautiful out here, but I'm not sure where I'm going yet. Looks like main roads aren't too bad right now, so we'll see. So Piper and I went down the boat ramp here. Didn't find much. Shot a couple pictures handheld of the river. But Piper seems to be enjoying herself. She's going to hate getting back in the truck. We'll see what else we can find. Come on, Piper. Come on, girl. Get in. Good girl.